Do you need some inspiration organizing your college planner or just need a guide to help you along? In this video, I'll show you how I organize my planner for college. Hello lovely, my name's Lady and I help women like you stay organized through planning. So to get things started, I will be using the school edition of the Lovely sticker book to show you how to get your planner organized for your college classes. I use the free assignment tracker that you can get at ladymora.com/school to look at what a college week would entail. I did have to use one of my old assignment trackers to fill this one out so that I could give you an example because I am no longer in college, but this was what a normal week would look like. So flipping through, I first placed the study headers along the top row with these fun, vibrant colors that you get with the Poppy sticker book. And now I'm taking out all the homework stickers and correlating it with the study stickers so that the same colors fall under the same day to keep the rainbow look going. So next I'll be grabbing a quiz sticker because there was a quiz on Monday. And then looking for this fun chat bubble and layering it with a flag, and I'll show you later how I use that to meet with a study group. And grabbing the remember script and layering that with a nice red flag so that it sticks out there. This fun blue flag, and I'll be using that to put relax because it's nice to give yourself reminders to relax every now and then. And then at the very first page, you get a fun freebie jeweled headers, and wanted to include that on Sunday because the colors do match the colors in your sticker book. And I use this to mark that I need to start a project in the Computer Information Systems class. And on Monday, just going through and filling out all the things that I had pre-planned in the assignment tracker. Definitely makes going through your planner week by week so much easier. So make sure to pick that up because it'll make your life so much easier as you go through your college classes. And going through and marking all the things that I need to do for homework, all the things that I need to study, and just filling it out because it doesn't take too long after knowing everything for all the classes all in one place. If you haven't already, make sure to go to ladymora.com/school to claim your free assignment tracker. As you see in this video, it made everything so much easier. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe so that you won't miss the next video. Bye, lovely!